Damn, girl. I like your butt, G. Oh, really? Cool. Oh, really? I'm sorry.
Like and share this video for more funny content. Don't forget to subscribe.
Oh, you scared me, Jesus. Oh.
Yeah, when I bite you, you can't do nothing. Oh, mother chinga, you can take the cat out the hood. You can't take the hood out the cat.
This freaking Jerry. Asshole. What did you say? Come here. I'm sorry. That's what you get. Nah, hey. Stop it. Your mama. What? Don't talk about my mama, stupid.
Oh, sorry.
Keep your hands off my laptop. Keep them off.
Y que a mi niño lo quiero yo y el que no lo quiera le da un dolor. Y que a mi niño lo quiero yo y el que no lo quiera le da un dolor.
I said, do you wanna fight? Do you wanna catch his hand?
Thanks for that.
Like and share this video for more funny content. Don't forget to subscribe.